Welcome to another broadcast. We're talking about the Fly Tape 2 on the MPC3 software. This also works for your hardware as well. And I just want to show you what this does. Basically, it's a instant effects kind of plugin that you can put on any channel on your DAW, or in this case, the MPC. And so as I touch the pads, or at least touch the areas on the screen, we can then do different kind of gestures with that. So I'm just going to play a beat and let you hear a little bit of what it does. That's the break, lo-fi, warble, reverb, reverse. And if you tap on the higher tab right there, if you tab the label, it'll change graphically what you're seeing. Mute right there, saturation. Speed. You can also do a mix on it. And if you want to hold it, you have that hold button, speed. I like to just tap it and so this is a cool plugin if you want to add those live performance elements to it. It may be a little tricky to automate, but if you automate it, you'll have some good effects on it that would be really cool, really fun to work with. It's graphically impressive. I like tape cassettes. Tape cassettes are a very nostalgic thing to me, because my first beats I recorded were on tape cassettes on a small little boombox in a galaxy far, far away, a long time ago. All right, so yeah, definitely check out Fly Tape 2. It's a cool effect. I just wanted to share some awareness on this. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. I'll see you on the next video. We out.
You've been watching Dilio, producer, creator, and artist. Like, comment, and subscribe for more. His latest EP, Hard NB, is streaming everywhere. Get exclusive loops and presets at DilioT2K.com. Support the channel by using his Zounds link in the description.